After updating to iOS 27, did your contacts suddenly disappear from your iPhone? Don't panic whether all of your contacts are missing like this or only a few have disappeared. This video will show you the most effective ways to recover them and get your contact list back. So first open up your settings and go to your Apple account from here. And then from iCloud, you just have to go for Show All and you will find this contact option. So here you just have to enable this, and if it's already turned on, you just have to restart your iPhone. So for that, you just have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. This actually refreshes the system and helps reload your contact database. Now once your iPhone turns back on, open the Contacts app and give iCloud a few minutes to finish syncing your contacts. If you also use Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo for your contacts, you just have to go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, then from the list, you just have to find Contacts, then from Accounts, open your iCloud account and make sure Contact is turned on from here. Then force close all your apps and reopen the Contacts app and check whether your missing contacts have returned. So you can see after doing this, my contacts are back. But in your case, if your contacts are still missing, you just have to go for any browser and go for iCloud.com. You just have to sign in with your Apple account. And now you just have to scroll down to data recovery option and choose restore contacts. So if you see a previous contacts archive is available, you just have to restore all the contacts right from here. So right after that, you can check your contact list. It should restore on your iPhone. So if the problem started right after iOS 27 update, you can reset all settings without deleting your personal data. So you just have to go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and here tap Reset. Then go for the option Reset All Settings. Don't panic, this won't erase your photos, apps, or contacts, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and preferences. So once your iPhone restarts, you just have to reconnect it to Wi-Fi with a few minutes for iCloud to sync, then check the Contacts app again. So if nothing helps you out, so another thing you can try is signing out of your Apple account and sign in back in. So this actually forces iCloud to perform a fresh contact sync. So after trying all of this process, hopefully one of this work for you. But if none of this method work, you can contact with Apple support for further assistance. So let me know which fix worked for you, and thanks for watching.